Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you the today's how to make 10 times on crypto part 3. Let's go straight to it. Click on how to make 10 times on crypto part 3. You don't have to go waste your time watching the video and looking for the puzzle word. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and whatever is required if you. Cats, as you already know, is the next big thing in the crypto world. You have to use all the means necessary to gather as much cats as possible before it's too late. Once you are here, type the word audit. Make sure it's all in uppercase. Make sure you don't make any mistakes in your spellings to avoid missing this chance. Use VPN if you cannot perform this task. That should relieve you of the stress. If this is your first time watching my video, please hit the like button and also smash the subscription button so that you can keep videos like this one from us. And if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section below. See you guys in my next video.